moments later.
Good day everyone, and welcome to our Boyle's Law experiment. We are excited to explore the relationship between the pressure and volume of a gas and to put our understanding of this fundamental principle of thermodynamics to the test. In this vlog, we will gonna show you on how does the Boyle's Law work. But before that, we should know first, what is Boyle's Law?
Boyle's Law. Boyle's Law states that the pressure is inversely proportional to volume, while having the constant of temperature and moles. Si Robert Boyle ang nakadiskubre ng law na ito, kaya naman ito ay pinangalan mula sa kanya.
The concept of this law is when the pressure is low, the volume is high, and when the pressure is high, the volume is low. And the formula of this law is P1V1 equal P2V2. The number 1 is called initial, while the number 2 is called the final. So we should read this formula as initial pressure times initial volume is equals to final pressure times the final volume.
In this experiment, the materials that we need is marshmallow and syringe. It's easy to do because all you gonna do is put the marshmallow in the syringe and press it.
In the experiment, we can see that the marshmallow is getting smaller when we put pressure on the syringe. That is because of the concept of this law, that when we put pressure, when the pressure is high, the volume will be low, and the marshmallow or the gas is being compressed, so that's why it becomes smaller.
2,000 years later.
Daway pa.
Uy, walang daway yun. Pamakita na. Bigyan mo kami ng tatlo ng mga babasahin natin. Umiiit ba?